In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use Stremio on Android TV. So let's get started. Now, first of all, to download, you have to get this app from the App Store. The app's name is Downloader. Now, once you have downloaded this, then you have to open it up and then you'll see something like this. Now, first of all, before using this, what you have to do is you have to go to your TV settings, then go to apps, security and restrictions and unknown sources, and from here you have to make sure that you have allowed unknown sources, okay? And the downloader app is allowed to download unknown sources, so you're gonna see the download app under the unknown sources, so just go ahead and make sure that it is turned on. Then you have to go back to your downloader app and you have to copy this link right here which says stremio.com/download. Just type it in like that and paste it right here. Okay, now once you've pasted it here, you have to click on go and then you have to scroll down until you see a download file for Android TV, and from there you're gonna download that and install it. Okay, then you'll have to obviously open Stremio. So Stremio may appear under apps and then side loaded apps. If not, then you'll have to install another app, sideload launcher or launcher manager from the Play Store to access side loaded apps easily. Okay, now once all that is done, you can obviously open Stremio and this is how it's gonna look like. Now from here, obviously you can sign in or sign up, and then to start watching movies, what you have to do is you need to get one add-on. Okay, now which add-on do you need? Well, for that you'll have to go to any web browser on your Android TV and search up torrent.io Stremio. Okay, just search that up and then you'll see this website. The first link, just click on that. Oh well, it was not this one. Let me search it up again. Torrent, this one. So just go ahead and type this link on your web browser, torrent.io.strem.fun/configure. Then you can obviously go through the settings, your providers and all the languages and stuff. For providers, you don't have to mess with anything here. Then there is sorting, that's fine. Then your priority foreign language, maybe you could change this. And then there's other stuff which you could go through and then just click on install and it should take you back to Stremio where this particular add-on will be added, and then you can just go home, click on literally anything and you can start watching. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.